Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Spain on a Small Plate series. This lesson is a Pintxos that I call Asparagus Prosciutto Wraps. If you don't know, Pintxos are smaller than tapas, just a couple of bites. These stalks of asparagus wrapped in prosciutto are a very popular finger food at parties, and they also make a good small plate. I suggest you use thicker asparagus spears rather than the pencil thin variety, which are much more difficult to work with. The thicker spears also result in a better asparagus to prosciutto balance. So let's start cooking. All right, now to make our asparagus and prosciutto wraps, first thing we're going to do is trim the bottoms of the asparagus. If it's kind of white down there, you want to trim it back till it's green, okay? And the whole bunch is going to be about the same. And you want to use fairly thick asparagus. If you use the real thin ones, it's just really hard to do with this recipe, and you don't get much, okay? So use asparagus that are fairly thick. Okay, now we're going to drop the asparagus into boiling water, and we're going to let them blanch for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to plunge them into an ice bath. So have your ice bath ready. Okay, the asparagus were blanching for about 4 minutes, and the thicker they are, the longer you need, but 5 minutes tops. You don't want them to get too flabby, okay? And then plunge those into the ice bath to halt the cooking. All right, now here we have our blanched asparagus, okay? And now what we're going to do is roll each one of these spears of asparagus in prosciutto. The prosciutto that I have here is a little too long, right? I want it to be about, 3/4 of the length of the asparagus spear. So what I'm going to do is first peel off the separator sheet from the prosciutto package. And by the way, don't buy prosciutto without a separator sheet. It's just too hard to work with, especially once it gets warm. Also, try to keep your prosciutto cold. It'll be a lot easier to work with. Now, after you've cut it to the right length, and maybe the prosciutto you buy will be the perfect length, okay? These are a little long for these spears. Then what you want to do is line it up like this, so you have a corner of the prosciutto sticking out the side there. And then we're going to roll it as tightly as we can around the asparagus spear. Okay, there we go. That's perfect. We'll do one more for the camera. Okay, there we go. There's a second spear. I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. As I said, it's easier to work with if the prosciutto is cold, but it will actually wrap better when it's warm. So try to keep it cold, but then as you start to work with it, it will warm up very quickly and help you to wrap it. And by the way, I'm not throwing away that prosciutto that I cut away. I'll use that, put it over melon or something. It's great with cantaloupe. Okay, let's turn on our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, we're going to start with 2 eggs, and we're just going to beat them lightly till they're well mixed, okay? If we need more egg, we will whip up some more, but I don't like to use any more than I need to. Okay, now we're going to put that into our dredging pan. All right, now we're going to dredge each one of our asparagus spears in the egg, and we're going to put them onto a separate pan, onto a sheet pan, because those are going to go into the oven shortly. Okay, so we're going to just dredge every one of these, put them onto the sheet pan. Okay, here we are. They're all on the sheet pan. Okay. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle each one of these asparagus spears strapped in prosciutto with some white sesame seeds and some black sesame seeds. Sometimes I have them mixed together, and I can see that there are a few black sesame seeds in these white ones. But if they're mixed together, I call them tuxedo. You can even buy them that way, pre-mixed. But today, since I don't have any pre-mixed, except for a few stragglers here, I'm just going to add some white sesame seeds to each one. And then I'm just going to add a few black sesame seeds as well. Okay, now we're going to put this into the 350-degree oven, and how long they're in there depends kind of on how thick your asparagus are, okay? Okay, here we go. It took them about 25 minutes in the oven. Like I said, it's going to depend on how hot your oven really is, because when you set it to a temperature, it's not necessarily really that temperature, unless you have an external thermometer to monitor it. Mine was actually a little higher than I set it. I set it for 350. It was actually around 360. And as you can see, they've got a little brown on the prosciutto, and they look perfect, okay? So these are Asparagus Prosciutto Wraps in my Spain on a Small Plate series. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.